Karrahbooo links up with Anycia in Portland, Oregon.
My friend, y'all. Say hey.
Hey, y'all.
What's going on? Yep, you're the friend. What's up? How you feel? Oh, the camera flip. Hold up, bro.
Good, because I'm with my friend.
Period. Woo! We got some Chipotle. We're gonna eat. Yes. What's up? Turned up with my nigga. Hey, turned up with my nigga. Hey, turned up with my toe. Yeah, turned up with my yeah. What it do? Ever since I left, bitch, you been losing weight. What the hell? You taking? You taking? Look at Layla. We were just talking about you. We were just talking about you, Layla. And we were just talking about how much we love you. We was not even talking shit. Yeah, we really love you. We really love you. We think you're good. You are so great and so really good and just so talented and amazing. We really love you out here. And we are big fans. Type shit. What up, babe, bro? They said we fine. We just woke up. It's crushed in our eyes. Thank you. What up, Hovey?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Ellie too, Bookie. I love how you call your fans Bookie, right? Yeah. What you call yours? Like nothing. I don't know what to call them. I just call them nieces and nephews. I thought about that. They do be what's something to do with space? My little here y'all go. Where your daddy at? My little asteroids. Oh, that's cool. That's too much? That's not too much. Okay, stars? Because that's like uplifting them. Okay, maybe something else. Okay, what if I call them my little shit? I like that. My little yes. My little yes. My little water names. My little just give me my money. Just give me my money. Just give it to me. Pause. It's people up in here that want me to head, but I don't give a f about. Yeah, y'all like that? Who's that baby with that helmet? I love you too, Dev. That's Devin Brown? Yeah. Devin Alexis Brown, how you doing, baby? Yes, it's me, Skilla Baby. How did you know? I love you too. Skilla she said, "Oh, Nene, hi, my babes. Hey, I love you." They like that little yeah-yes. Little yeah-yes. My little what? They said we the best duo. Thanks, bud. Period. Hey, Nikki. We're doing the best we can with what we got. Yeah, we just living life, walking around and stuff like that. Hey, little dude. Alright, bye.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.